The digitization process and eco-sustainability are concepts which are becoming increasingly complementary. Here is how Panasonic supports its customers in terms of efficiency and their green approach. With a surface area of over 1 million square meters, Interporto Padova is located on key road, rail and port communication routes for the northeast of Italy and Europe. 310,000 containers and more than 6,000 trains are moved every year. These numbers underline Interporto Padova's claim to leadership at a national level in infrastructure provision and the development and management of logistical and intermodal platforms for goods transport.
Interport's principal mission is to develop intermodal traffic by incentivizing the use of rail as an alternative to all road transport for long distances. This is a model which enables it to be among the leading player in the green movement, a subject which is close to our hearts.
At the heart of Interporto Padova's strategy is the entrepreneurial challenge of investing in infrastructure, technology and services. And a primary requirement for being a leader in this complex globalized market is to put the emphasis on innovation, starting for example with digitizing the flow. For example, the new automated gates, which instantaneously regulate the entry and exit of vehicles responsible for the last mile. This enables lorries to get rapid access, significantly reducing costs and the discharge of polluting gases.
We had to extend the means of displaying and managing operations in real time to the operations on the ground and on the freight vehicles. This step was essential for later continuing with processes for automating the road and rail gates, and in future for movement in general in our terminal.
To do this, Interporto Padova chose to adopt Panasonic technology. Fully rugged Toughbook tablets are a critical part of the equipment of the staff, who, by using these devices and dedicated software, can manage work operations without loss of continuity. Toughbook G1 devices are used all day and every day by people on the ground who, under rain, snow or beating sun, carry out the delicate checking operations to match wagon to unit along the platforms. The operators continuously receive and send information from the G1, which through the LTE connection guarantees continuity of flow, even through tall metal superstructures such as cranes and very high container walls. The Toughbook G1 has been designed and tested to resist extreme conditions, and its ecosystem, complete with accessories and peripherals, allows it to be used in any environment, whether it is handheld or mounted on vehicles. We also find the G1 in the cabs of container transport vehicles. Here, the information relating to operations is also transmitted to their drivers in real time. Strong vibrations and extreme temperatures do not affect the device.
Thanks to this technology, among other things, we have succeeded in digitizing a series of operations that were previously managed with pen and paper, a considerable step forward in terms of productivity, reliability and data transmission, and also a saving in consumable materials.
Once again, all this bears witness to the way technology should facilitate operations without causing complications, create opportunities for development and safeguard the environment. This is what market leaders demand from a professional product, and this is what Panasonic has always offered.